Question number 7. A ball of mass m collides with a vertical wall and with an initial horizontal speed u. Vertical wall is like this with an initial horizontal speed u and rebounds with the horizontal speed v. So, okay, it hits here and rebounds with the velocity v. Okay. Graph shows the variation of the speed of the ball with time. What is the magnitude of the mean net force on the ball? Okay, what is the force? So, what you do? So, considering this value as plus x direction, this is your negative direction. So, force can be written as m into v minus u divided by t, right? So, what is m? M is mass is given over here. What is v? V is minus v. Okay, minus v because negative direction. What is u? U is u only plus u divided by what is time taken? Time taken is t2 minus t1. This one, right? So, it is t2 minus t1 over here. So, what do we do here? We will now take this as minus m into u plus v divided by t2 minus t1, right? But what has been asked? The magnitude, which is what? Make this plus over here. So, the answer should be m into u plus v divided by t2 minus t1, which should be answer D.